Hi and welcome to another lesson of guitarforme.com. I'm Antonio Rico and today we are tackling Under the Bridge. This is a great song from Red Hot Chili Peppers. Some pretty nice riffs on the guitar, so let's go and have a look at the intro first. Alright, so here we've got two chords. The D, played this way, but basically it's like our C moved one tone up, which means 2 frets, and then we put that finger there as well, okay, so that it's exactly the same shape as the C, 1 tone up. This gives us a D, so this is the first chord. The second chord is a F sharp major. It's basically the E open chord moved up 1 tone, again 2 frets, and we're using a bar. Alright, so these are the chords, 1 chord per bar, and let's go and have a look. It starts with me playing the bass and the first string of the chord, so the second string together. So, okay, this is the pattern. The rest we're playing only with the pick, alright? It's just this first note that we want to hear the melody of the chord and the bass together. So we are using the pick to play the bass and this third string to play the second, third finger to play the second string. This is the pattern. On the fourth beat of this bar, we are playing this movement of the bass in 16 notes, 1 E and so on the fifth string is 4 2, then 5 4, and that takes us to the F sharp major. Again, here we want to hear the bass and the melody of the chord on the second string at the same time. And we play a similar pattern with our finger picking. And then again, on the fourth beat, we are playing another melodic movement in the bass that takes us to this D again. So here we will have again this similar pattern as before, but now it's gonna be on the fourth string. And the last note is on the second fret, and that will take us back to the D. The second time around on the D we play a similar pattern, again bass and first note of the shape. Then the only difference is that on the end of 2 we are playing this phrase here. We're basically we're just keeping these 2 strings pressed, and we are hammering on the 5th fret with the pinky. So okay, this is important. And what's notice that I'm lifting this 2 fingers, all right, so that I've got the pinky free to play that trill. On the fourth beat, we go back to this portion of the chord, so 5 and 4, and we play it, and immediately we slide it 1 tone up on the 7th 6. So 1 E and all right. So this is this bar, and then we go back to our F sharp again. We go back now. We play more or less exactly the same thing. Okay, the second time around, we're basically gonna be on this F sharp without creating this pickup line that takes us to the next chord. And this will take us to the verse. let's have a look at the chords in the verse. It's quite easy if you know bar chords. So the first bar is E on the 1, and on the end we go on the B. So E, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and as you can see the rhythm is quite simple. Why? Because there is already a drums playing the rhythm, and this leaves a lot of space for the voice. Okay, so it's a non-intrusive. Otherwise, to be always busy, it's not always good, especially at the beginning of the song, like in this case. All right, so E and 2 and 3 and 4, and this is the first bar. Second bar. Alright, this is the second bar, where basically we're going on a C sharp minor. Here, again, all bar chords. And basically what we're doing is that we are playing a hammer on. We're playing the 9 strings here first, and then we are hammering on. Okay, we play the 9 frets there using the bar. And on the end, we played second and third string. So it would be 1 E and okay. On the end of 2, we go to this G sharp minor with the D sharp on bass. We only playing the 4 inner strings. It's exactly like our C sharp minor, just yeah. And we are not playing first and sixth string. So. And on the end of 3, we're going to the A. So 1. And then again, E, B. The second time is C sharp minor, and then on the end of 2, we go to the A. So. So these are the first 4 bars. The second time around, the chords are exactly the same in the verse. I just want to show you some variations that Frusciante I know plays quite a bit. So it would be E, B. He will play it like this. So basically, and then the bass with the thumb. That way he's got the pinky free to play some embellishment, especially on the third string. You will do that. 1 and 2. This kind of embellishment, very nice. Then we're going again on the C sharp minor, G sharp, A. Again here on the A, we could play this kind of shape and play around on the first string, doing this kind of embellishment. Okay, and then again we got on the E, B, C sharp minor, A, and then we got 2 bars of this E major 7. So it's basically like our E. Now this note is going back, and we're using this shape. 7, 9, 8, 9. In the chorus we got this F sharp minor, okay, on the 9th fret. Then we go on the E, okay, again play it like that. Then we got this B, and basically we are playing the D shape here on 12th fret, 11, 11, and we're also adding this on the 13. Okay, and then we go back to the F sharp. Okay, let's see how these chords are put together. So the F sharp minor is on the end of 1. So on the 1 we got a rest, and then on the end we will have the chord 1 and 2 we go to the, on the end of 2 we go on the E. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and again 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then we go on this B, and then we're playing 16 notes. 1 E and 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, so 1 E and 2, and we go to the F sharp on the end of 2, and we stay there for the rest of the bar. So this is actually just a chorus. Okay, so F sharp minor on the end of 1, 1 and 2, E, 3 and 4, B, end of 2, F sharp minor. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and every now and then you can also add these chuck sounds, percussive sounds. They're very nice, and you can add them a little bit everywhere. 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And this is it for now. Really hope that these lessons are helping you, and if so, please click like, share them with your friends. If you've got a question, you can always leave a comment, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to check the suggested video and keep on learning.